All right, I think we're back up. We can tell you that those same tornadoes were affecting folks there around
Get back! Get! 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 Go, baby! Go, baby! Go!
Man, you can't even see it anymore.
Shit.
Turn your hazards on. Okay. Oh, I guess I can do it. Woo! Yeah, baby! She looks so pretty. Look at that.
Alright.
It's okay. Get over it!
Put yourself in the seatbelt.
I don't want to. I'm gonna be jumping out of the car real quick anyway.
There's no other ones, right? Just check really quick.
Stop, babe. It's gonna drop again. It's gonna drop again. You should be good to stop shortly. Like anywhere up here. Slow down, slow down. Slow down. Slow down, baby. Pull over.
Is this raining or is that just from the driving?
I don't know, I thought you were doing it. Close it.
Moving off to the northeast at about 45 miles per hour. Again, this was radar
No.
circulation. They've also had reports of some hail the size of tennis balls in that location. So folks in and around protection need to be taking caution with this strong storm as it moves northeast at about
Down,
45
babe.
miles.
It's the camera.
Also have that
difficult to get my radar to look up and it's just hanging in the reception for receiving tornadoes. I want to go up and see Kansas and I kind of change my picture there.
reports of large.
There you go. Okay, now there's some very strong storms up in Kansas area. You're quite right. Between Garden City and Dodge City, and then Garden City towards Dodge City rather towards Hutchinson, very strong storms. There are severe tornadic storms in that play as well, and they would be from Hutchinson back towards Garden City, Dodge City area, and then also some severe weather then